Cheryl here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to make a vegan chocolate cake. We got a request in our previous video to try out some vegan recipes. This goes out to my cousin Sarah, who recently turned vegan. So I hope you'll enjoy the video. First, we're going to sieve in all the dry ingredients into a mixing bowl, and we're going to be adding 1 3/4 cup of plain flour, next we're going to be adding a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, along with 1 3/4 cup sugar, also adding 1 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and lastly 1/2 teaspoon salt. Now we're going to be whisking all the dry ingredients together. Now we've mixed all the dry ingredients together, and as this is a vegan chocolate cake, I'm going to be using 1 cup chocolate soya milk and adding that into the bowl. Along with 1/2 cup extra virgin olive oil, and 1 cup hot water, and lastly 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to give it some taste. Now we're going to be mixing everything together. Now we're going to be transferring the cake mix into a cake tin. I've lined this 23 by 23 centimeter cake tin with baking paper. So now we're going to be pouring the cake mix into this cake tin. We're going to be filling it about 3/4 full. So now I finished putting all the cake mix into this cake tin, and it's about 3/4 full. If you have any extra, you can make it into cupcakes or make another cake. So now I'm going to be placing this in a preheated oven for about 40 minutes and checking until the skewer comes out clean, and then take it out. So everyone, the cake has just came out of the oven, and I'm going to be leaving it to fully cool, and I'm going to be applying a thin layer of icing on, then lightly decorating it, but you guys can decorate it as much as you want for the occasion you're making it for, and yeah. So guys, I very carefully transferred the cake onto a plate, and you have to do this very carefully because the cake might crack a little bit because it is like a very moist, soft cake, and it is a little bit hard to transfer, but it will be done if you do it carefully. Now I'm just going to be applying a thin layer of icing on the cake. So everyone, I finished spreading a thin layer of icing all around the cake, and now I'm going to be decorating it. So everyone, now we finished decorating the cake. We made it a little bit of a rustic look, as you can see, not too much decoration. We just put a powdered heart in the middle, And then we're not gonna put anything at the side, but if you guys want to use this design, you can, or decorate it in any other way you want to, that's totally fine, depending on the occasion. So now it's time to cut the cake. So everyone, we've come to the end of our video, and I really recommend you guys try this recipe. This was actually my first time making a vegan cake and it turned out really good. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe to our channel. If you have any video requests, something you'd like to see us do or make, do comment down below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in our next video.